But if you close your eyes,
good morning, guys. Oh, I am gonna vlog today. So this video is either gonna go up today, which it's July something. Forgot what day it was. Oh my. It is Thursday. But I'm gonna vlog. We're going to the beach. We're gonna get breakfast and we're gonna go eat it on the beach. So let me get dressed and I'll see you guys in a second. Well, I got dressed and I also figured out what day it was, so it's July the 12th. And yeah, I'm gonna put my hair up into a ponytail and yeah. So I'm gonna try to get a camera, but I'm just filming on my phone right now. I'm gonna try to get a camera later if I do vlog more and stuff. So I'll see you guys at the beach. Okay. Say hi.
We're at the beach.
Yep.
It's so peaceful out here. Nobody really.
Okay guys, so there's these crabs that keep coming out, so I'm gonna try to get them on film. I hope you guys can hear me because it's kind of loud. I want to see if they'll come out.
I just seen one come out of the wind. Gotta kind of get it close.
I don't know if you guys can see. It's out right there. Or it was. It went back in.
There's a few of them. Oh, there he goes. It's that same one. Keep it on that spot. You see him?
Did I see?
He went back in.
They match with the sand.
I know. Ooh, there's one.
Right?
Maddie, there was one right there from you see
Right
it?
there.
There's two of them out now.
I don't know if you guys can see them, but yeah. They're coming out. Okay, so there was jellyfish like in the water. So, like, yeah, so do you guys want to see one of the jellyfish? I'm gonna see if I can find the jellyfish and show you guys. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's see if I can find one. Oh, there's fish. Ah! Almost got wiped off my feet. Oh my gosh. Come on, jellyfish. Oh. I can't find one. There was a big one and then there was a little one. There's a plane. Down. Oh, I'm getting away from my mom. Okay. So I hope you guys can hear me because it's very like loud and it's very windy and yeah, but I hope no one's watching me. Oh my gosh, people are watching me. Okay, but I just filmed a Musical.ly, so roll to the Musical.ly. Let me love you.
trouble, don't be afraid. Oh, I can help. Let me love you, and I will love you.
Okay, I hope you guys liked that musically. It was like a beach musically. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're in the car now. Wait, are we going to Target?
Yes.
We're going to Target. I could be a YouTube famous. Just kidding. Yeah, we're in the car. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the view from the bridge, but I'm going to turn this off and then show you guys. Oh no, I'm on YouTube. It's a video, like I'm making a vlog.
Yeah.
So it's going to be like, I'm putting all these videos together.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, so yeah. So we're going over the bridge. It's really pretty actually. That side's pretty too, but I can't show it. Yeah. Okay guys, so sorry, my stuff's a mess. So I just got out of the shower because I rinsed off after the beach. I got this cute swimsuit at Walmart. Oh my gosh. I'll like hang it up. It's like this, and it has these little like things in the back, and it's really cute. And that's the top, and then these are the bottoms. Yeah, they're kind of high-waisted. I like them. And then I got a toothbrush. I have a question for you guys. I got a new toothbrush because this one just wasn't going to do anymore. It's gross. When you were younger, I look a hot mess. Oh well. When you were younger, did you used to like get so excited when you got a new toothbrush? Because same. I used to get so excited when I got a new toothbrush. I don't know why. So like comment down below if you used to get excited. Okay, so I'm in the Chinese restaurant and it's very awkward right now filming. Oh my gosh, it's very awkward. We went to the bakery. Got a brownie. You dropped it.
Not that good. And looking at the place, I was like,
I'm gonna heat it up.
I'm glad we didn't buy nothing else.
I'm gonna heat it up when we get home. It was good. It's okay. It wasn't what I was expecting. Hey guys, so it's only 1 o'clock, but I'm gonna end this vlog because I want to have it up by today, July the 12th. So, hope you guys enjoyed this like beach vlog, such like weird vlog, I don't know. If you guys like videos like this, just let me know if you want more vlogs. Also, put in the comments what type of videos you want. I'm gonna have all my like social media handles down below. Oh my goodness, I can't speak. Down below, like Instagram, Snapchat, Musically, down below. So bye guys, I'll see you next time.